If you're trying to figure out if this recovery in gold and silver is the real deal, I actually don't think the metals themselves are the most important signal to watch right now. I think it's the Canadian Venture Exchange. And the last time that we saw the signal that we're seeing right now, one of our gold companies went up 620% in 2 months. So we are seeing the exact same signal today. And I want to show you what this means for the precious metals themselves. This is Christopher Aaron. Let's look at it. Welcome back. So this is the Canadian Venture Index. And you might be saying, well, who cares about this index? Here's why you should care. It's because 2/3 of this index is made up of precious metals and commodities. And this tends to be the companies that are developing new deposits of gold and silver to bring out of the ground, okay? So this index is 2/3 precious metals and commodities. Now, it should make sense that the direction this index goes is going to have a very important role in supporting gold and silver itself. Follow with me and see what we've noticed here. Notice this pattern. Remember this one? It's called this falling wedge pattern. We've seen this so many times where the highs are coming down and the lows are coming down, but at a much less aggressive slope. And as the textbook definition here shows, this tends to be a bottoming pattern. Sure enough, we saw the bottom from this pattern in the year 2000, right after the coronavirus. And then what happened? We had this surge right here. Now, follow along with me and notice what happened as that bottom was coming to place. We saw this very nice support zone from 2015 through the present, and a very nice resistance zone here from 2014 through the present. This forms a 12-year base. And guys, this is one of the largest bases that I have ever seen in the capital markets. And you know what the adage is. The longer the base, the higher in space for this gold, silver, mining, and commodity index that we are looking at. So if we look at how this thing has shaped up, notice that there has been 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts to break out. If you show me any index any day of the week, and you show me something that's been moving sideways for 12 years, remember, it cannot go to zero because no index can go to zero, barring a nuclear Armageddon. So this can't go to zero. It's made 4 attempts to break out. You show me this chart any day of the week, and I would tell you, I think this thing is gearing up to break out. That's the message of the markets here for this gold, silver, mining, and commodities index, okay? Incredible 12-year base. Now, when we zoom it in here on this last attempt, number 4, come with me here and look at this and notice that this index has already broken the primary downward trend from attempt number 4 right there. And now it is working on the final lesser downtrend, the final downtrend that can possibly be drawn here. So I think what's getting ready is this index is getting ready to go like this. If you like what you're seeing here today, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and please give it a thumbs up. Lastly, make sure to follow us on X at iGlobalGold for free updates. So this index, we were just looking at that shaded area in yellow. Attempt number 4, this index is gearing up, guys, for attempt number 5. Again, you show me a chart that looks like this any day of the week, something that's been moving sideways for 12 years. If you had covered up what this actually is so I couldn't see it, I would tell you every day of the week, I think this thing is getting ready to break out. Now, if we look back here, the interesting thing is that we have a nice way of measuring a potential target for this index. And that's by taking the widest part of the amplitude here for the 12-year base, 850, and adding that onto the breakout point, yielding 1900. However, I do think that 1900 is going to be close enough to the previous major peak from 2011 that we are going to be able to consider this as a target zone, okay? Target zone of 1900 to 2400. This is my best expectation for this gold, silver, commodity index, the Canadian Venture Index, when it breaks out. 100 to 150% for the average company in this index. Now remember, the last time that we were here, when this index moved higher by about 100, 150%, that's when we had one of our companies go higher by 620%. Right here in 2020, that's that surge right there. And so I think on the next surge that is coming, we are going to have several of our companies repeat similar performance like we had back there 5 years ago, because I do not suggest that you buy the same company that we bought back then. It's not going to be the same risk and reward. So this is what I see coming for this index that covers gold, silver, energy, and commodities. And the last point that I'll make here is that there is no ETF. I get asked this question a lot. There is no ETF that covers this index, unfortunately. I wish there was one. I often thought about making one. But right now, the only way to get exposure to these companies is to do the research and buy the individual companies. And so if you ask me, well, what is going to cause this index to break out? And let's say we get a handful of companies that have similar performance like this on the last major surge. What's going to cause it to happen? I will tell you what I think is going to happen. I think that gold and silver could consolidate for a number of years, that they don't actually make new highs for the next couple of years, but the profit margins already for a lot of these mining companies are so much better than they were just a few years ago that I think there could be a major mergers and acquisition spree that happens in this sector, where a lot of the large cap gold and silver companies start going out and saying, you know, we need to replenish our reserves. We need to replenish the gold and silver that we're now producing at such healthy profit margins. And the way that they do that is they start buying the companies that are in this index. They start buying the companies that are sitting on known or proven gold and silver deposits. And so this is what I think is coming for this index. Remember, it cannot go to zero. It is a gold, silver, energy, and commodities index, and it has been basing for 12 years. Guys, I can never say with 100% certainty what's going to happen in the future. No one can, but you show me this chart every day of the week, and every day of the week I would tell you my best expectation is that after 12 years, this is finally going to break out. If you would like to invest alongside of us in the exact gold and silver mining companies that myself and my colleagues are investing in, you should consider joining us in Precious Metals Intelligence Plus. You get the exact research, the exact buy and sell signals for all the companies that we are investing in here, along with flash updates going straight to your inbox the moment that we make a decision. You can do all the research and dedicate your life to researching these companies on your own if that's your style, if you don't have another full-time job or other things going on. So consider that. But if you would like someone to do that research and watch those signals for you, I've been doing this for almost 20 years now, consider joining us in Precious Metals Intelligence Plus. If you're a higher net worth investor, you have to understand that in our private placements, we invest in similar companies here in the Canadian Venture Index but we get nearly twice as much upside for every investment that we make with really no additional risk. And the way that we do that is because when you can invest the minimum, which is $10,000 Canadian at a time, the companies will give you free warrants. And our next private placement should be coming up here within the next several weeks. So make sure you get involved with the private placements if you would like to take your investing even to a more supercharged level. If you'd like to sit down and discuss your portfolio with me, I provide an unbiased and independent researched perspective on these markets. You can book a consultation right on our website. So this is what is coming. This is the signal that I see that, in my opinion, is even more important than the charts for gold or silver themselves at this exact moment. Because it looks to me like gold and silver are setting up for something of longer consolidations over the coming years. They already had massive moves. And I think the next move to come is as the profit margins filter down from the large cap gold and silver mining companies into the development stage companies. And you show me that Canadian Venture Index chart any day of the week, and I would tell you my best expectation is that it is going to break out. Do not wait until after the breakout to start making your investment plan. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you for the next video.